Hi, if you don't know how to do makeup, like you have absolutely no idea how to do makeup, then this video is for you. The makeup Olodos. You need a primer to smoothen your face and help grip your makeup, a foundation to help give you an even base, and a setting powder to reduce oiliness, and a face powder to give all over blend to your face. This is optional, but I like to use this eyeshadow palette for blush. So after I must have done my skincare, I like to go in with face primer, and this can be any type that works with your skin. If you have oily skin, use a mattifying primer. If you have dry skin, you can use a hydrating primer. I am using this silicone based primer from Kajal because it works wonderfully well with the foundation I'm about to use, which is the stick foundation from Kajal. I mean, this lipstick looking foundation is so convenient. You do not have to squeeze, pump or fetch. All you have to do is rub it against your face at the parts that you would like to cover, and then take a brush or a sponge or your favorite foundation applicator and use it to blend it out. If you are good with your hands, good for you. Setting spray is optional, but I like using it because it just helps everything sit in properly. If you don't have setting spray, you can skip setting spray. Just go in with your foundation brush or your sponge and then use it to tap the foundation. Make sure you are tapping and dabbing. Do not rub it too much, because rubbing it too much is just going to shear it out. Like now, especially on my nose, I rub it around there because I don't want too much coverage. But on the sides of my face, I get more coverage there because I have more dark spots around there. So I also rub it on my eyes lightly, just so that to give my face this even look, and I'm just going to look like my skin but better. That's what I'm going for with this kind of look. I'm pretty sure anybody can run this one. The next step is to use setting powder. I know a lot of people are going to be saying, you said it's for absolute beginners. Yes, but setting powder is something that almost everybody owns and they just don't know how to use it. Or you have like a nice translucent powder. Use that to catch the oil on your face. You know, all the parts that get more oily. Forehead, eyebrows, smile lines, under your eyes, sides of your nose, especially if you wear glasses like I do. So just try to, this one is a translucent powder anyway. It doesn't have color and it can go for any skin type. Then I'm going in with my actual face powder. Now if you don't have setting powder, you can actually skip it and just use pressed powder. The only difference is mine with setting powder might probably last longer than yours, but if you have dry skin, actually yours will last just as long as well. So look at us, we're looking flawless already. You can also skip this step, but I like to add a little bit of color, which is why I have this eyeshadow palette acting as my blush. So if you are someone who doesn't want all the extras, all you need is primer, foundation, face powder, and then you go to this step of brushing your eyebrows. I like using a tinted brow gel because it adds a little bit of color to my eyebrow hair and it makes it look like I applied something and I really didn't. So that's why I like to use this one from Kajal as well. You can use any, Zaran has a brow gel, Beauty by EDD has a brow gel, and I have used all those ones. They are wonderful, but this is by far my favorite because of the tint. Next, I'm using this black Kajal pencil. You just use it to line, like tight line, like you're seeing how I'm doing. Just close your eyes and run it through left, right, just to give you that illusion of you lined under and top of your eyes. This is called tight lining. And then you go in with your mascara to comb out your lashes and to make them look more awake. And then the next step is to do your lips, whichever way you choose to do that. I like to use lip liner for whatever lipstick I am doing. I have full lips, so I like to contour my lips first. So I used brown lip liner, and I'm going to use a dark red lip gloss. You could do nude, but for this day I wanted a little bit of boldness on my lips, which is why I used red. But on a daily basis I use nude. So tell me, was this really hard, or is this going to be hard to follow? I want you to at least try before you give me your opinion. Next time you have 10 minutes to spare before you go out, or 15 minutes, just try your best to do this. And whether I am wearing nude or red lipstick, I like to suck on something, my finger or a pencil, so that it will not stain my teeth. And I like to go back with an extra layer of setting powder on my nose to prevent my glasses from sliding off or picking the foundation. And this is my final look. I think someone is going to look at me and tell me, "Ooh, you tried a little bit to look better." the amount of compliments I have gotten all week at work, because I do not look like what I'm going through, and this is what I'm trying to teach you guys. So please, before you drop a comment and say this looks hard and it has too many steps, you literally only need 3 steps, and that is it. That's the entire look. You do not need so much. You just need stuff that you already have, and I believe that even if you don't have these things, there are staple things that you need to look put together in just a matter of minutes. Like sometimes I get this done in 5 minutes or 10 minutes and I'm out the door and I look decent. I don't have to have brows drawn, lashes or anything. I added lipstick so that I would look more bold. But you can wear nude, you can wear whatever it is that you want. Let me know if you'll be trying out this look, and do not forget to comment if this was helpful to you, and if there's any other videos you'd like to see, please do not hesitate to comment that below as well. Remember to like, comment and subscribe before you leave. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.